I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet the Jacob's ladder with chain loops. To begin, chain 37 or any multiple of 5 plus 2. In the fourth chain from the hook, make a double crochet. And double crochet in each stitch across. At the end, you'll have 35 stitches. Chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. And you'll have 35 single crochet stitches on this row as well. These 2 gray rows just form a nice foundation for the loop stitches. I'm switching to the blue yarn for the loop row. Chain 3. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet stitch. Make 4 more double crochet stitches for a total of 5 double crochet stitches. 3, 4, and 5. Now, chain 10. Nine and 10. Slip stitch in the top of the last double crochet. Next, make 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 10 again. 9 and 10. Slip stitch on the double crochet again. Continue this process across the row. Chain 1. We're going to single crochet in groups of 5 across the row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Push the loop out of the way and single crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Push the loop out of the way again. Single crochet in the next 5 stitches. You might need to really look at your previous double crochet stitches to see exactly where to put those 5 stitches. And 5. Continue this across the row. I'm switching to the pink yarn now. We're just going to repeat the previous loop row. The chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet as before. Double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 3, 4, and 5. Chain 10 and slip stitch. Continue the same process across the row. Once this loop row is completed, you'll chain 1 and proceed with a single crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Push the loop out of the way and work the next 5 stitches with single crochet. Continue making and alternating the double crochet loop rows with the single crochet rows for as long as you wish. Now it is time to connect the chain loops. Begin at the bottom and weave the loops in like this. You are basically chaining with the chains. Continue upwards until the last loop. And leave that last loop just hanging. Move on to all of the other columns of loops. Feel free to either use a hook or just your fingers to do this. Once you are finished with the loop rows, I like to make one plain double crochet row with no loops on it. Chain 1 and turn. Now, think in groups of 5 for this row. Make 5 single crochet stitches. On the 5th stitch, we're going to catch that chain loop from behind and then finish the single crochet. Then start over counting the next 5 single crochet, and that first one will catch the same chain loop. Two, 3, 4, and on this 5th stitch, catch the next chain loop. And on the first set of 5 stitches, catch the loop again. Continue with this process across the row, catching the chain loop with stitches number 5 and stitches number 1. You can see what this looks like. At the end, I like to finish this with one more row of plain double crochet stitches. You can see what this looks like on the back and on the front. And that's how I make the Jacob's ladder with chain loops.